Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So, first, for your general energies, these are the cards, and this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Leos, and I have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading, guys, that will follow this general energy, Leos. So let's start with these cards, guys. So we have Death, Seven of Suns in reverse, and the Papist. So, in your situation, Leos, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, in this relationship. There are great changes happening in your situation, guys. There is someone who is helping you, guiding you with their wisdom, and who has that true love, and they are really having good intentions for you. So, this person is here to guide you with their wisdom, maybe with their intuition, and they are helping you in certain things, guys. And this may be your friend or your colleague or your parent, sibling. Some woman is here today helping you and guiding you today, guys. And maybe for some of you guys, Leos, you are seeing some great changes in your career situation or personal life. Maybe certain things that did not work for you, that has gone away, and certain things what has what is new, something better, much better than what it was before. And maybe for some of you, you would have had some doubts or confusions about something in your life, maybe some decisions in your career or something in your personal life. You had some doubts or something, but today you are having that clarity and understanding. Maybe you have that acceptance in your heart. Certain things are not working out, certain things are not working according to your expectation. So, you have that acceptance to go with the flow, however things are unfolding for you in your life today. Maybe certain things which are not working for you, it is leaving you. It may give you pain today, but it is something good, something pushing you towards a greater potential in your life today, guys, Leos. So these changes are just giving you new direction in your life, maybe a desired change in your career, uh, some positive changes you may see, the way you think or the way you are today, guys, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards for your general energies, Leos. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Ace of Spheres in reverse. And with this card in your relationship, guys, you may be successful or you may be seeing great changes happening in your life. But it should not cloud the way you are. It should not change the way you behave with this person you love. So, these positive changes in your career or your growth itself, it is not you should not change yourself or how you treat the people you love. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. So the way your situation is influencing you, it should be a positive influence and it should not be something negative, guys, the outcome. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Two of Stars in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, maybe you are seeing some false propaganda. Maybe someone is not giving you the truth, they are hiding something. Maybe the reason, maybe they want to what to say involve you in certain things, and you need to think clearly before you are making some important decisions, guys. So this person is not telling you the truth today, so they may try to involve you in some fraudulent activities, try to disrupt the way you work. So you need to be really careful, guys. Leos, that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Leos, for your general energy. Stay tuned for the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and today's reading is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, regarding your situation. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can meditate for a few seconds, think about your situation, and you can think about the crystals and choose the crystal which comes to you first. So that way, that card, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so we will see what is the card, the first card for us with this crystal. So we will see what it is. It is Nixie of Melpont, memory. So that is the card here. So for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your situation today, you are trying to avoid some people, or you are trying to avoid a certain situation. But with this card, the clear message is that you cannot avoid it, guys, or you cannot control your own feelings. Maybe you have strong feelings towards someone and you are trying to avoid meeting them, or you are trying to avoid this connection or trying to avoid that relationship. But whatever you are trying to do, if you want to free yourself from that fear or that burden, that emotional burden you have, you should be ready to face this situation. Only then you will be able to move forward in your life, in your situation. So whatever sorrow this circumstance brings, after meeting this person, it will turn to joy and love, and you will feel that true emotional connection with this person, and that soul to soul connection and some kind of bonding. But you have some fears, that is the reason you are trying to avoid. You need to overcome those fears, guys. That is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card and this first crystal. So let's see what is the second card. I will leave it here now. So with this second card, guys, let's see what is the card. The Snow Queen, loyalty. So this just means that there is someone really close to you. You have a very deep friendship with someone, and this friendship stands for that innocence and what to say, that heartfelt communication, understanding. So maybe it is a very enduring friendship that you have with this person, and it has stood its time, faced lot of trials maybe. And maybe for some of you, this person you consider as your friend or very close to you, this may be the person you love. Something has come up and this person has gone cold and unresponsive. Maybe they are having some obsessions or addictions. That may be the reason. But you need to have hope in this friendship. Maybe today this it may be going through some kind of a difficult phase in this connection or in this friendship, but very soon it is going to get back. You are going to feel magic in this connection. You are going to feel loved and loyal and feel that trust with this person, guys. So everything is going to come back to what it was before. Maybe for some of you, you are missing that friendly nature of this person you love, and that this person has given you a cold shoulder, maybe for some reason, but they are going to come back to you, and you are going to feel loved, and you are going to feel that trust on this person once again, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.